Today we're going to beat this obby in their turbo dismount testing in Roblox. We're gonna slip.
Bye-bye. Baba na, Blake.
Not yet. I'm still good. I want to still stay here.
Oo.
Wait, I need to bring the finger.
Doon na, baba na.
But I don't know.
Blake. Di ba magpapayin na siya, Uncle, oh? Pati yung pancake mo. Piputin mo yan.
I need the pancake so if we came back in the morning.
Hindi, sa bahay niyo.
But if we came back in the morning, we can bring it.
Hawakan mo! Baba na tayo!
Baba na, dali.
Wait, I need to still upload it.
Sa inyo pa yan.
Let it through. Come on. Yes, come on. Go. Go, go. Go, 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 go.
Ay,
Whoa. Whoa. This looks like an obby. Come on. I have to slip. Uh-oh. I have to slip and slide. Whoa, there goes the big. Shut up.
ikaw magbaba niya.
Oh.
Bumalik si Papa mo.
Oh,
Baba
no.
na ako at yung nilalabhan ko nandun pa nakatiwangwang. Yung ginamit ko pa na laban nung nakaraan kay Timo.
Okay, we beat the obby. Please like and subscribe.